I was playing around with the Snapbridge app the other day and I forgot that you can actually update the Nikon Z6 II without the use of a computer. So just using the Snapbridge app, you're able to download the firmware and upload it to your camera. And I'll just walk you through that process today. So I'll show you the back of the screen of the camera as well as the app during the upgrade process, and we'll take a look and see how that works. The first thing you want to do is take your camera out of airplane mode. So click on airplane mode and disable that. You'll want to go into the app itself and connect to the camera you want to update. So if you have multiple cameras connected to the app, choose the camera you want to update. After a few seconds, it should connect and you'll go to the top of the screen and hit go. The next page will show you just some information about the download process. Go ahead and click next. Then you'll accept and download. Now what it's doing now is actually downloading the firmware from the internet to your phone. And once it downloads it to your phone, then you'll be able to upload it from your phone to your camera's memory card. So make sure you have a memory card in your camera before you start this process. So I'll ask you now to join the Wi-Fi network created by your camera. Once that actually connects, then it will start uploading that file to your camera. So it's now connected. You'll see the camera is receiving the file. So go ahead and speed this up a little bit so you have to wait for the entire thing to go through, but just know it's not going to go this fast when you do it on your device. All right, from this point on, it's pretty much the same as any other normal update. So you'll just hit yes to update the firmware to the latest version. You don't need the phone after this point. And once you hit yes, it will go ahead and copy, or not copy, but update the firmware on the camera and just follow the instructions that are on the back of your camera. Once that is complete, it'll ask you to turn your camera off, and then you can turn it back on and check the firmware to make sure that the firmware has updated and you're complete. Hopefully that gives you a good idea of what it's like to update your camera through the Snapbridge app. If you have any questions, leave them down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.